How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In tonight's video, we're going to go over 17 stocks I just bought, as well as a few Bitcoin movements. This here is Bitcoin in my Robinhood account. Average cost is around $11,000. It's just under 7% of the portfolio. I'm up 162.37%. This is an initial investment of $109. That is now worth $286. Then we got Bitcoin in the Cash App. This is a $327 investment I've made over the course since March. So it's been what, 7, 8, 9 or so months. And my $327 has turned into, almost $1,600. So nice gains there. Then we got Bitcoin in the eToro app. This is a $47 investment I made back in September. Coins were worth almost $12,000. My $47 is now worth $116. It's up 147%. Total gains are $69. Jumping right into the stocks I just bought. This is in the public account. Purchased $29 worth of Pacific Biosciences of California. Bioscience is a very hot sector. Then we got $30 of SPDR Bloomberg Barclays short-term high-yield bond ETF. I love Bloomberg, and I like bonds as well. This is going to be low volatility, low risk ETF, and it's going to be diversified over some nice bonds. So I'm going to get a nice dividend payout for holding this. It's pretty much like a savings account, but 2 to 3, 4 times better. It's going to give you a lot better interest rate. Then we got $31 of Vector's Fallen Angel High Yield Bond ETF. Same as the last one. This is pretty much Fallen Angels is companies that had a high rating and then they got downgraded. So these are basically valued bonds. They're for a good value. So it's going to be low volatility, a little bit of growth involved, but mostly in it for the dividend. Then we got $32 of ProShares Ultra Bloomberg Crude Oil. This is a fund from ProShares. It's going to give you exposure to the oil and the energy sector of the market. This is going to be, again, low volatility since it is a fund. And it's going to give you the best exposure to oil that you can pretty much get. A lot of people count oil out due to EVs, but these planes and these trucks and everything else, I mean, they're running off fuel and gas every day. So it's going to be a while before this is, this is pretty much extinct. So you got about a few more decades to get, get some money out of this industry. Then we got $33 of a Net Technology company. Technology is a huge sector as well. So this is going to be a nice swing trade play here in the public account. Then we got $34 worth of Energy Select Sector SPDR fund. I love these SPY funds. They're really great. This is just more exposure to the energy sector of the market with plenty of diversification and low volatility. Then we got $35 of LTC Properties. Sorry about that. So this is going to be a monthly paying dividend. This is going to be in the real estate sector of the market. So it's going to be nice to get that monthly payout from LTC Properties. This is something I already hold long term. I'm doing very well on it. I do collect my monthly dividends for it. So it's going to be something I'm swing trading here in the public account to try to build an account in this brokerage. Then we got $36 with KB Financial Group. Also going to be a nice, pretty nice dividend play with a lot of upside. With the CV coming out, with the CV vaccine out, and stimulus and things opening back up, these financial institutions are going to, start collecting rent, getting interest on their loans again, and everything of that sort. So you will see a bounce back in this industry. Then we got $37 of TU. $38 of Invesco Dynamic Leisure and Entertainment ETF. Then here in Charles Schwab, we got AT&T. AT&T is a great dividend payer. It's been pretty much, in my opinion, beat down over the last 5 years. They are in the telecom sector. You know, they got phone, internet, great, you know, internet provider and phone provider. Plus, they got the streaming platform with the Warner Brothers. So you should see a lot of top line revenue coming out in 2021. AT&T, something I hold long term, something I've swing traded a few times already this month. So we're going to swing trade it here in the Charles Schwab and see what we can come up with. Then we got Walgreens, WBA. This is also something I hold long term already, something I swing trading often. Walgreens is a great business. Walgreens is CVS, Johnson & Johnson. You know, they dominate this sector, and you can bet that Walgreens is going to make some money, you know, with this vaccine out. And healthcare at an all-time, you know, all-time high for people in their health is around now because of the pandemic. So you best believe Walgreens is going to be profitable. Great fundamentals, great balance sheet. Then we got LEG, L-E-G, Leggett and Plaque Inc. We're going to pull a swing trade here, see if we can't build a position. Then we got Cisco System, ticker CSCO. Also something I already hold long term, swing trade pretty often. So we're going to try to, you know, build a position, and we're going to try to add to the position we already have, basically. Then we have TAT. This is Coors Brewing Company. You know, they do adult beverages, beer, and such and sorts. They sell a wide variety of brands under the Coors name, as well as they sell in plenty of different markets. The way I feel, you know, their quarter one earnings should be pretty good. You know, a lot of people were quarantined, so a lot of people were, you know, drinking. And now with things opening back up, there's going to be a lot more, you know, purchases of beer and alcohol, things of that sort. People are going to want to go out and have a good time. So I do see them making a nice profit here in 2021. Then we bought Love's, LUV, Southwest Airlines. This is a play on airlines. TSA numbers have been down. Airlines have been beaten down. These airlines will be on a bounce back. People have to travel. People are going to travel, especially with things opening back up. You can best bet TSA numbers are going to go through the roof. So Southwest Airlines, they've been, you know, getting bailed out by the government. They've been taking on some long-term debt. So the profitability and the top line revenue are going to dramatically increase over 2021. So this is a play that I'm into, swing trading. I already own Love's long term, and it's something I'm going to continue to swing trade at this point. The last one here we have is HRL, Hormel Foods Corp. This is a packaged goods services. This is a recession-proof stock. Very good fundamentals, great balance sheet, low overhead, low debt, and the foods that they provide are going to be stuff that's going to sell pretty much no matter what. We see them during the pandemic. You know, these packaged food companies, they did very well. You know, people rushed to stores and they bought, you know, canned goods, noodles, all types of stuff, you know, like dinner trays and, you know, stuff you can hold for a while without it going bad. And this is some of the product they make, as well as, you know, they do fresh meats and sausages and, you know, things of that nature. So I definitely see their, you know, they've been profitable pretty much 2020. And I see their earnings, you know, sticking that way, basically. So that was the 17 trades of today. Tomorrow I will hit you guys with a video with some price movements, some daily gains I have, quite a few stock picks as well, and maybe some stock news. And then I'll be purchasing 18 different positions tomorrow, and I will post that video as well with the update. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell if you'd like to follow my journey. You want to come in here and get some stock picks, get some different stocks that, you know, everybody else is going to talk about, as well as, you know, seeing the same stocks that everybody else is going to talk about, because I'm in those companies too. I have hundreds of shares, And I'm always looking to diversify even more into the sectors and the stuff that I already have. So me analyzing stocks, looking at balance sheets and fundamentals, looking at board members, doing some research and stuff like that. I'm gonna always try to find stuff I'm not into. That way I can diversify my portfolio. And with me being up in I got about 10 brokerages. I'm up in all of them. So obviously I'm making good picks, and obviously my strategy is working for me. Appreciate it, guys.